guys, this is Sheldon. Welcome to my vlog. For the past 2 weeks, I have ordered Lazada mystery box. So, na-curious ako dun sa ads nila sa Lazada as I was browsing. And then, trinay ko mag-order. So, here it is. So, ito yung mga dumating na siya. I think it's for more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks bago siya dumating. So, let's try to unbox it kung worth it yung mga pinabili natin na mga mystery box. So, try natin muna tong first item natin. So, mystery box pero naka-plastic. Try natin kung ano yung laman, no, guys. Sabi daw may iPhone. Nagpamalay natin, maka-iPhone tayo.
Sa akin yung iPhone.
So ito yung nakuha natin, Realme headset. Yung light, USB light. Yun lang.
Tumoy good siya.
Ito, next item, tignan natin. Ito kasi huli natin yung medyo malaki, baka ito yung iPhone, no? Hopefully. So, ito yung second item natin. Grabe naman yung dalawa lang. Ay! Ito na naman! Yung USB light. So, this, I think it's very common sa mga mystery box. At itong durog na box. Saan na to? Sa parang ring something sa phone, sa kotse. I think this is for the car. And next, headset na naman. Headset siya, guys, headset. So, hindi ko nabubuksan. For the next item, ito medyo malaki. So, ano kaya ito? Cable protector. USB charging for iPhone. Headset na naman! Headset, Samsung. And I think hindi ito original. Grip phone sa likod for the ring. Headset na naman. So this is Myster S0M. At meron siyang phone holder. So ito na. Ito na yung malaki. Ano kaya laman nito? House knife. House scissor. Kitchen scissor. Wala tayong knife eh. Wala tayong cutter.
You don't need knife.
Okay. Ito na yata yung iPhone natin, guys. iPhone. Wala. Ito, first, tripod. So, pang vlog natin, tripod. Second item natin, headset ulit. Ang dami nating headset. Next, grip ulit. Grip para sa phone. Very common na. And we have Vivo charger. What's this? USB charger. Ito na yung phone. Romos. Power bank. So, that's it. So, hindi talaga nakakuha tayo ng phone from Lazada mystery box.
Meron pa.
Meron pa? Ay, ito
Oo,
na.
kailangan mo yan. Para hindi ka na magkakaroon.
Yung phone stand. So, that's it for our Lazada mystery box. See you again on our next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. See you soon!